missed any conference. She always attends all national conferences and district, any conference for that matter. Even if you conduct at district level or at a state level or a national level, she attends and she updates herself. And she also attends um, pre-conference courses as well, and she collected lots of certificates for that matter. I won't list them out, but she is a certified diabetes educator and also obesity treatment counselor. So being in a small town, she has so many feathers in her cap, including certain awards. So let us welcome her with good applause and listen to her in her own words first, and then let us ask her as many questions as we want to. Any doubts that we have, we can clear with her. So, welcome, Santakumari. Stage is yours now.
Unmute, unmute.
Okay, thank you very much, Janaki. Good evening, everybody. And I'm very happy to be here in Tea Talks. I'm very thankful to Mayuri and Dr. Janaki. Now I will present a small PPT regarding my journey. So, we should have a passion to become a dietitian at least from the graduation. So one should have the passion, because one should, if we have interest, we will definitely reach our ambition. The second one is have the aim first. One day we will definitely reach our goal. So one should have aim. So in my case, I have the passion from my graduation. When I joined in home science, from that day itself, I have the aim to become a dietitian. So whenever I go to any hospital or whenever I go to say any internship, I used to collect all the diet sheets also. Now I am able to prepare all the diet sheets, and I have almost 60 to 70 diets regarding different diseases. In future, I want to publish book also. Okay, then nobody will raise suddenly. Practice is more important. So sometimes patients just they will call and they won't come, but we should not lose our patience, and we should wait for our turn. Be confident enough in practical knowledge. We should be very confident. Without confidence, they won't believe us also. So we should have the proper knowledge regarding different diseases, and we should be confident enough to when we are telling to the patient or client. So right diagnosis is more important, and we should give the correct diet treatment. Diet prescription should be, because the patients believe and come to us, so we should be able to diagnose the disease properly, and we should give correct diet prescription. And frequent monitoring is more important. We should not leave the patient as it is after giving our diet advice, but we should monitor the patient whether he is following or not, whether the diet working or not, how it was going on. Any changes has to be made. According, it should be tailor made. Monitoring is very essential. The next one is counseling the patient and improving listening skills. So first of all, we have to counsel the patient. What is her problem and everything. For that, we need listening skills. It should not be one way. It should be two way. We should have the patience to listen their problem. Then only we have to give our advice. So the other thing is to be well known of local language and local food habits. We should, when we start the clinic, we should have the proper knowledge of the local food habits, and we should be well known of that local language also. Here in our Mahbub Nagar, people are very accustomed to eat that jowar roti. So if we prescribe that jowar roti, especially for diabetics, they will easily accept. So we should be well known of our local food habits, and also local language, we can convey the message easily. And setting up a clinic is not a problem. For everybody can easily start the clinic. In the beginning, we can make our visitors room or front room as a clinic. Once it clicks, we can rent a shop for clinic. For my case also, I have started my clinic at my home only. In the apartment also, I have started. After that, by request from the patients, I started outside. I rented the shop. In the beginning, there is no worry about the budget. In the beginning, just we need weighing machine and height rod itself. So by weighing machine and height rod, we can calculate BMI, and we can assess whether they are obese, underweight, or overweight. Everything we can assess from that BMI. After that, we can advise them regarding according to their problems. So after starting the clinic, we should maintain some of the registers like entry register, counseling register, diet diary. They have to write that 24-hour recall diet. Every day they have to they have to maintain a diary. In that every day they have to note down what we advised, whether they are taking that diet or not. And diagnostic assessment regarding height, every week we have to make checkups, and we can note down in that diagnostic assessment book regarding their height, weight, BMI, waist measurement, everything, hip measurement, everything. So we should have some of the visiting cards also, so that we can propagate our that clinic and everything. So making in the beginning, people are unaware of our clinic, no, so that we can make some of the flexes and pamphlets also, in pamphlets and paper ads also. In the beginning, I used to make I made so many flexes, about almost 10 to 12 flexes throughout the city. I thought they will be permanent. So within 1 or 2 days, they teared off. So again, I made pamphlets, and I circulated those pamphlets. And that also not enough for that public. So again, I made paper ads regarding my clinic and what I will advise to the people and all. So it can be made according to our budget. Keeping name board to our clinic. First, we should select a name to our clinic. In that, we have to place our qualification, especially highlight our qualification and timings. Which timings are suitable to us, we have to keep in that name board. Next, inauguration of our clinic with a local leader. Inauguration of this is our NutriCare inauguration by District Collector Sri Ronald Rose IAS. I came out. I rented a clinic during 2017, and it was inaugurated by Dr. IAS D. Ronald Rose, District Collector, and DMHO madam also there, and my guide and Dr. P. Gandaya garu also there. He encouraged very much in setting up my clinic also. Beside collector, my husband also there. Okay, weekly monitoring gives good results. So without if we advise them, just if we give advice, they will just we don't know whether they are following or not. How the result will come, we don't know. If we monitor them weekly, we'll get definitely good results. So we can present small attractive gifts to those who follow properly. Small, like measuring cups, like that gifts we can give, we can present them. And attract people with the health checkups, free workshops, nutrition talks in schools, colleges, apartments, etc. So free health checkups weekly once we can keep during, especially during Sundays, we can make free health checkups, workshops. We can also give nutrition talks in schools, colleges, apartments, etc. Another one is public talks during special events like International Diabetic Day, Health Day, Cancer Day, etc. Some of the during the international events, we can make some public talks. Nobody will ask us. We have to take appointment and we can proceed. Fees should be flexible, reliable, and affordable. So we can, especially, I started my clinic after seeing diet counseling clinic in Home Science College, Saifabad. Actually, I want to start without any fees, but afterwards I came to know without fees they won't believe us also. So fees should be flexible, reliable, and affordable. Customer or client satisfaction is more important. So after giving our advice, and if they practice properly, they will get good results. If they get if they will cure from their disease, because of our diet prescription, we'll get more satisfaction, and customer will also satisfy. And have patience, give respect, and take respect. So I told you already, many people phone, they will call you in a phone, but they won't come because it is not an emergency problem. So they will just simply phone you and ask the inquiry, and they won't come. Even then, we should not we should not leave our patients. Give respect and take respect. And recently, my client Srilekha, she reduced within 6 weeks. She reduced 8 kgs almost. She gave review also. That's it. Thank you.
You can stop sharing the screen. That is very nice. Fees has to be flexible and reliable and affordable. And don't give free consultation.
No free consultations.
Recently, I was watching a video by Sudha Murthy. She said, "Don't give any advice for free." So, goes here too. So that's very nice presentation, Shanta, and you told us what we need to have qualities to start a diet clinic, and then how we have to go about, and the importance of the board and the importance of the degrees that we hold, all these things. Thank you so much. So we can start asking questions. Before that, I want to. You can start anyway. You can start any of you have questions. You can start. But
No.
I just jotted few questions. You start,
Okay.
Mayuri.
Shanta Garu, I have this question. How did you find the transition between this Andhra and Telangana? And Mottam Mehbubnagar, completely you shifted to Mehbubnagar, which is completely Telangana, right? So how was the transition, and how well you coped up with that? What all are your challenges?
So actually, I did not want to search job also, because I have very much interested to run my clinic only actually.
Okay.
So even then, one of the colleague means one of the dietitian, Govind. He was that time he was doing as a dietitian in Vizag. He asked me to join in SVS Medical College. It will be very good. So I went and joined there in 2012. But there also they won't believe us because it is during Telangana Andhra bifurcation time, no. So nobody believe us because they told they were doubtful whether we will be here or not. We may transfer to somewhere else like that. Even then, I got the job there. So after getting job in SVS also, I continued my clinic during evenings.
Okay.
Because I want to available to the public throughout the day.
Okay. అయితే మీకు లాంగ్వేజ్ అంటే
nutritional knowledge.
రైట్ మీకు లాంగ్వేజ్ ది ఎట్లా ఉండిండే లైక్ తెలంగాణ వాళ్ళకి ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేయడం ఆంధ్రాకి ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేయడం టోటలీ డిఫరెంట్ ఉంటుంది కదా సో యు డిడ్ అట్లా యు డిడ్ ఫైండ్ ఎనీ ఛాలెంజెస్ ఇట్ వాస్ లైక్
ఎవరు కూడా ఆంధ్ర అని నన్ను అనుకోలేదు అసలు.
ఓ వావ్ నైస్.
నా లాంగ్వేజ్ లో వాళ్ళకి ఏం డిఫరెన్స్ కనపడలేదు.
నైస్ ఓకే. అండ్ ఫుడ్స్ కి ఫుడ్ సజెస్ట్ చేయడంలో కూడా ఏమైనా డిఫరెన్సెస్ అనిపించాయా? ఏం లేదు.
ఆల్మోస్ట్ ఆంధ్ర జస్ట్ ఇట్ వాస్ డివైడెడ్ యాస్ తెలంగాణ అండ్ ఆంధ్ర.
Right.
Before that, we are all in Andhra only.
Yeah, it's a Telugu state, that I understand. Okay.
So you are doing so many things, and you are working full time in a hospital and have a clinic at home, and you do contributions to your NGO and Bal Vikas, etc. How do you manage your time?
So I have so much of interest to run my clinic. So if we are having interest, nobody will stop us. Everybody knows.
That's true.
So running a clinic and moreover after wait, no? It was not a. What's the question, please?
So how do you manage your time with so many activities going on? With the full-time job, clinic, and everything.
Yeah. Because here distance is the main target. Because in the small town we can reach anywhere within a short period. Previously, when we came here for how long we to anywhere in the auto we were charged only 6 rupees.
Okay.
Now it was 20 rupees. So we can reach anywhere within a short period. Even if I came to house at 4 o'clock, I can attend many things. I can attend clinic, I can go to some seva activity, I can go to bhajan, anywhere I can go. We have my husband and myself got offers in Hyderabad also, but I don't want to leave this town because here I can attend so many of activities. Even my sisters, daughters are staying in states. They also used to ask me how you will manage all those things. Here, that is the benefit of small town. So I can attend within a short period. I can attend so many things. Regarding in the regarding really Bal Vikas. Bal Vikas, we used to tell Bal Vikas only in the Sundays.
Okay.
Because I spend that day spiritual day only for me. Because if I do without God, we can't do anything. So I will. If we do all those things, it will charge me for the whole week.
Super.
So from the childhood also, I used to attend Bal Vikas, and we are devotees of Satya Sai Baba, and I studied there also. So
Yes.
I continued that only on Sundays. Regarding children also, after they grown up only, I started the clinic.
Okay.
Because that time our children are very lean, so my parents used to say, first look after your children, then only you will start the clinic. So I kept quiet for so many years. So
Okay.
after they grown up, I started my clinic.
Nice.
And RD, completing RD also, it's very difficult for me. After marriage, I have to read, and that time there is no local center. So I used to book the ticket reservation before 2 days before, and along with my kith and kin and my husband, and I used to stay in the lodge before day, and I used to write that exam. Now, now people are very. They are here. We got the center, and everybody is very easily they can write the exam here in the local center itself. That time we felt so many difficulties, you know. So
That's
completing
really
RD
something.
is
All your efforts paid now. All your efforts consistently. Your
so for starting a clinic, definitely I should complete my RD. That is my target.
Wow.
true. That's true. Great. And it paid well. And you were consistent, and you waited for your children to grow to start the clinic. Your ambition didn't get diluted. That's very, very important. You held to that. So, do you have any competitors in Mehboob Nagar?
I'm the only registered
Dietitian.
dietitian and experienced.
Other than that, like anybody, like there are health clubs. There may be some health
There are
clubs,
some
something.
Herbalife clinics are there without any qualifications. They started almost 8 nutrition centers are there.
Oh my God.
People are having a misconception whether they are not aware which center is having qualified dietitian. So
Okay.
they are also thinking ours also one of that Herbalife center. It was a very drawback to me.
So how you made the difference? How you make people to realize that this is different from that?
Because so many people are coming and complaining me after using Herbalife powders, we are getting some gallstones, and for after stopping the product, they are getting again weight. So,
Okay.
so they are coming to my clinic. So mouth to mouth canvassing is there for my clinic. More, it is greater than flexis and pamphlets.
Okay.
Okay.
Mhm.
So you said you did you wrote the RD from another place. What
Yes.
was the place from where you did that?
I did not complete my RD within one time, because I went to Vellore once, and another time I went to Madras also.
Okay.
Because every time when I started to prepare my RD, relatives used to come.
Ayo.
Because after marriage, study means it's very difficult for us.
Right.
Anyhow,
Right.
I completed my RD, thank God.
Great. 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 So Samata is asking, where did you do your MSc, ma'am? Which college?
NG Ranga University, Janaki and
I think this is on Facebook. So
Okay. So both of us are in NG Ranga
right.
Agriculture University, and we are also in hostel. We stayed opposite to each other. She's 1 year senior.
Janaki, Dr. Janaki, Janaki Srinath, Lata, they are all my inspirers.
Right. Right.
I got so much. I learned so many things from Dr. Vijaya Kadar madam and Dr. Chittamaro madam. Also, that time they were my madam.
They all have inspired us. People who study in Home Science College can do a lot of things. That's what I believe. Home Science College and PG department in Agriculture University, Nutrition. So you have so many years of experience, and you must have faced a lot of hurdles initially, and even till date also. There may be some, some hurdles coming up now and then, and how you tackle them. What were the hurdles initially, and later, and now?
Hurdles means, first of all, I told you, no, my children are leaving. That time I did not started. Another one is, I don't know how to start the clinic. Nobody, so I myself prepared all the dietaries and diagnostic assessment books, everything. I myself prepared. That VLCC, I worked in VLCC. No, that knowledge helped me. And another thing is, writing, completing RD is my greatest achievement. That was the great hurdle. Another one is, so many patients, they will call, they will take appointment, but they won't come. It was a drawback. Even then, we should not leave our patients, because it is not an emergency problem, no. So they will just inquire and take appointment, but they won't come. Some of the clients, no, they, after giving advice also, they won't give. They won't pay the amount. They will tell after going, will Google Pay afterwards.
Okay.
Like that, so many cases are there. Even I'm not interested to get profit. First, I want to impart nutritional knowledge, because here now, for people usually think doctors are the ultimate source for their every problem, but they won't know it was mainly because of nutritional, lack of nutritional knowledge. Even for small body pains also, they will go to doctors. So I want to impart knowledge, and I want to available throughout the day. I am running clinic even in the evenings also, after doing my full-time job in SVS also. I want to available to the public. That was my main motto.
Right.
So some of the day, sometimes I paid rent without getting any fees also. Even
Okay,
then, I
without
did
any
not
income.
left the job, left the clinic, because if we purchase a small silk saree, it will cost almost 6 to 10,000. So we'll just I can just think it was the cost of my saree.
Wow.
The 1 month.
Great.
Nice.
Very
So
nice.
so many people.
Ma'am, can I ask a question?
Yes,
Yes.
Harsh, you can ask.
Hello, ma'am, Shanta, ma'am. It was great knowing about you. I also come from a very small town in Uttar Pradesh, from Uttar Pradesh. So, if I want to, open a clinic in my town or small city, so we had this very general problem that they are there is a lack of awareness about nutrition,
Yeah,
as you said,
yeah.
about doctors and all, right? So how do we make people aware about this so that they can come, if we open a clinic, they can come over the clinic?
So we
Which
have to
town,
show.
Harsh? Which town?
Yeah, we have to
From
show
which
the
town?
good result. Even if
Uh,
we get a good result for the one patient, they will canvass mouth to mouth. And for propaganda, we can use the flexis and pamphlets, paper ads, everything. They will be useful to us. Even I made video in the cinema theaters also.
Oh,
Wow.
wow.
Through projector.
Nice. Nice. Harsh, which town? Dr. Janki is asking.
yeah. Ma'am, I'm from Khurja, so district Bulandshahr. It's nearby Aligarh.
Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Okay.
So
So,
it's
In
a
the
small town.
beginning,
It's really difficult to. I think you need to study the society and then
yeah,
take action accordingly.
Exactly.
I think the idea
Yeah.
of in the movie theaters is a good one.
That
yeah.
is a good one.
Yeah,
That's
yeah.
a
It's
good idea.
brilliant. Yes.
That's amazing.
Do you
I
have a
will send you
immediate
the video also. I will send you personally the video. Now I did not
post that
have
video
your WhatsApp.
in the T-Talks?
We'll post it. Yeah, we'll post it.
See, one more thing which you can do, which we did when we started this, I want to share because this clinic is such a passion for me also. So, some traffic disturbance. What we did is we did a diet show. Diet show. Diet show is
Yeah.
you display diet display. You display for a diabetes diet display or obesity diet display or 7-day diet, whatever, diet you display the diet, and you invite your family, friends, and all that for to begin with, and you also can give in the local paper. You can also give in the these events. You can just write to the newspaper. You don't have to pay anything. You just have to write to the newspaper and tell that this event is being conducted at your place, and then people are welcome. So that way you will gather people. So we used to
Yeah.
do that very frequently, like every third month or for every occasion we used to do diet displays, and of course we did many other things later.
In medical
That used to be
college, we'll do along with our interns all those things during special events.
Okay.
we learned this diet display from Home Science College only. We are the
Yeah.
first batch to do the diet display during this National Nutrition Week
Oh,
in Home Science College when we were students. So it really attracted so many people. So many people will come and ask you questions, and you need not give the entire information. All you have to tell them it is you give some information. You make them realize that they need to come back to you for individualized, customized, tailor-made diet plan for them, and you are there for them to monitor them and help them and hold them for some time till they get all right. So that kind of conversation has to go when you do these kind of displays.
But with one person, we can't display all those things.
You of course you
In
need to take
our
an
medical college, we'll do along with our interns.
yeah.
But
Of
here
course you
in my
need to take help, but dietitian will be one. You'll be taking help of others.
yeah,
Sanjay is asking, ma'am.
they won't talk at all. They will just write prescription and leave it off. But when the patient come to us, we'll counsel for at least for 1 hour.
True.
So after counseling and prescribing diet, they used to tell thanks and namaskarams to us. We'll get so much of happy by that namaskaram itself.
Right. Very true. Prasanna is asking, any difficulty you faced with team of doctors in your hospital? What are the challenges you faced, and how can you encourage fellow nutritionists to take up the challenges with the doctor? With doctors.
There is no problem with the doctors. Usually, we will be in the OP, and usually doctors suggest the people to go and take advice from the dietitians, especially for diabetes and obesity and ortho problems. Even from gynec diabetes, gestational diabetes, people also will come, and some of the doctors, PGs, they will come along with their diet sheets to us. They will come along with the patient and case sheet also. They will come to our OP and ask for the advice also. Some of the doctors will refer to ICU and all, so that we can go to that place and will give our suggestions and all.
Okay.
So you made a good friendship and a good relationship. We built a good rapport and a good relationship with the staff.
Especially patients. First of all, they believe doctors. If the doctors say, definitely they will come and they will follow. There is no problem with the doctors. They should aware of our diet importance. Some of the doctors they won't believe us, but some of the doctors they will definitely refer us. Especially if the patient asks about the food only, they will think of dietitian. Otherwise, they won't think at all.
So in your diet, you given Tippatiga, COVID diet.
Yeah.
Just wanted to know about Tippatiga.
It was immunity boosting, already ready-made supplements also there. It will, if you just place a small stem, it will grow in heights. In our apartment, in my balcony, in our apartment, everywhere it was there. And all the people in our, especially in our apartment during COVID time, they will take 4 or 5 leaves and they will boil and they will drink in the early morning. It is immunity boosting.
Okay.
Already it was there.
Yeah, it's an Ayurvedic treatment.
Yeah, Ayurvedic one. It was already in ready-made supplements also there.
Okay. Any more questions?
Not many questions, but everyone are congratulating ma'am, Shanta ma'am. Navta is saying, wow, man, very inspiring. No one can stop us if we are determined to do anything. Great to know about your story.
That's really great. Great.
Yeah.
That
Rest
is very true.
nothing but change of birth. Rest is nothing but change of birth. After getting, if the patient client cured from our advice, we'll get so much of happy. Right. So from that happy, we'll get double energy. True. And we will complete our household tasks very easily. My husband used to aware that my happiness.
Okay. Used to sense that.
Right. After coming home, usually he will aware why I was so much of happy.
Okay.
So with the double energy, we'll do easily.
Who is your biggest support in all this?
Naturally, my husband only. He only encouraged me to write OD and complete OD, and he also came to Velluru, Madras, everywhere.
Nice.
Chennai.
Right. So Kavita is congratulating ma'am again. Shanti, amazing work. Geeta is also saying great, Shanti. So yeah,
thank you all.
Everyone are congratulating you, wishing you, ma'am, for all the great work that you have done. It's truly a motivation and very inspiring session today, actually.
Thank you.
So many joined today, and they learned so many things.
Yes.
Probably they are looking forward for some information like this. Maybe we should bring on some more successful, or I would say people who started their own clinics. I think we have to
success stories.
Yes, success stories, or we have to interview them and find the difficulties or find the ways and pros, cons, everything we have to find out.
Right,
so that
that's true.
It would be open and people can follow.
Yeah. Mansi, our previous speaker, also says it's a great session. Yeah. I mean, the idea of, two ideas which I liked the most was, especially the movie theaters one, where, of course, it is possible in small theaters. Definitely it is, I mean, small town can relate this and that movie theater ideas. And the other one is, conducting our, the free talks or, the awareness sessions among the which is easily happens in a small town. You can just collect a group of school kids and college students or anyone. We can just collect them at one place and conducting a free session of imparting a nutrition knowledge. These are the two important things where small town nutritionists who are aspiring can take as a take home message or tips for them to follow. These are very I like these two a lot.
Even in apartments also we can.
Yes. Even in apartments too.
After availing the knowledge, they will definitely come to our clinic. No problem.
That's true. That's true. And especially you getting, I mean, the satisfaction after counseling a particular client, seeing the results, and you getting satisfied with that, that is something more than what we have achieved, more than what we wanted actually. That's really amazing. And Sayali is asking, any case you faced challenging in your journey? Any tough case? Any client?
Tough case means if they won't follow, it will be definitely
A
tough
tough
case.
case.
Some of the people they started to come within. They have to come for 6 sittings, but within 2 sittings they won't come. They will say they are going to Hyderabad. They are going to that place. This place. If they discontinue, it will be very difficult to achieve the goal also.
True.
It's a waste of time and money also.
Right. Daniel Lakshmi says, motivating session. Thank you, Shanta ma'am.
Thank you.
And Renuka Devi on Facebook also says, happy to see you, Shanta, learning so many things from you. Renuka Devi. Yes,
And
doctor.
one more thing I forgot to mention is she has written a book on diabetes also.
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
Where is it available
Yes.
to buy?
That time we published almost 2,000 copies. Now 1,000 copies were over. Only 1,000 copies were remained. You can contact me through phone. I can post them.
Okay.
Even for every patient, it is very useful because that we are given colorful images without language. Knowing language also, they can, by seeing the pictures, they can understand what food they have to eat. And I prepared almost 70 diets for different diseases. I want to publish another book regarding those diets also. But
Great.
some are saying I don't know, but whether I can reach my goal or not. But in future, I want to publish definitely.
Let me ask you that on that regard. Let me ask you a question. What are your future plans?
Regarding my future plan, especially, I want to conduct IDA national conference, but because of COVID, I left my interest.
You can do online.
I told Janaki also.
You did online quiz. Of course, we did state level conference at SVS Medical, and she is instrumental in getting to that level.
It was in 2017, I guess.
More than 800 people attended that, and lot of logistics worked out, and really big thanks to SVS. No, a lot of thanks to SVS Medical College to have given us good support for transport. That's a good thing. And then maybe you can, maybe you should ask our President Harita regarding that. Maybe you can conduct online if it is needed. Otherwise, you can conduct in SVS Medical College. It's quite big for that.
Shanta Garu, the diabetes book, is it in which language it is in? Telugu or English?
In Telugu and English also. Telugu books were already sold, and only English books are left now.
Okay.
And the
so for that printing and everything, it was from SVS only.
Okay. So what is the price of the book?
It was 200.
Okay. People are asking for the price.
Yeah, it was written by me along with Dr. Gandai Garu.
Yeah.
In the chat box, we can give the contact number. And if anybody wants, they can contact us on the
books also
inbox of T-Talks.
Yeah, you can inbox
Shanta Kumari is available on Facebook also. You can directly ping her in the messenger. In Zoom, we can give the
contact number. Yeah.
I want to say something for Shanta Kumari madam.
Yes, Sayali.
I see my future in her.
Wow, fantastic. What a compliment that is.
Because I want to open my clinic and I see her that as an inspiration for me.
Okay, definitely you will success. You will get success.
Thank you.
So today, Shanta Kumari will not eat her dinner. She's so happy now. We are really happy to have you, Shanta,
Yes.
and so happy that you shared everything in such a nice, simple manner. Each slide that you have showed is one sentence, but it has a lot of information behind that, a
Yeah.
lot of work to be put in behind each sentence. So
I made
thank you so much.
all the I made all the slides yesterday itself. With my own experience only, I wrote all the slides.
That's what that shows in the slides. That shows in the slides, and each and every point you highlighted. Thank you so much for this, and then and we look forward for some more sessions with you in the future. And thank you all audience for making it today, and I'm sure you did take home a lot of information.
Yes.
Thank you,
I take
Janaki and Mayuri, especially for giving me the chance to come to Tea Talks. And one of the girl asked about the price. It was 200.
Right.
Okay, okay.
Thank you very much.
Thank you,
Sayali,
Shanta
saying
ma'am.
something?
Yeah, Sayali.
today's takeaway from this session, I got to know that simple things make a changes a lot. छोटा छोटा चेंज करते जाओ, आपको सक्सेस हमेशा मिलेगा. आई लर्न फ्रॉम शांता कुमारी टुडे.
Great.
छोटी
Great.
चीजें भी हम बहुत डिफिकल्ट करते जाते हैं चीजें, उन्होंने इतना सिंपल रखा है सब चीज, इसलिए उनको सक्सेस बहुत अच्छे तरीके से मिल रहा है.
Very true.
Great.
Thank
Very
you.
true. Very true.
You are from which place?
Thank you.
Saili?
I am
Saili?
from Maharashtra.
Oh, acha, very nice.
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 So
And
thank
all
you,
the
Shanta
best.
ma'am,
All
for
the
being
best
here.
to in the future endeavor, Shanta.
Thank you so much for being on Tea Talks. Apart from the information and takeaway, you have brought that positive vibes among all the people, and you know the smiling faces and you know the positivity which you have brought is like amazing today. Thank you for bringing that on Tea Talks, and thank you so much, ma'am, for being here. And all the very best for future endeavors, just like Dr. Janaki has said. And see you all next Tuesday, same time, same place. Bye for today.
Thank you very much.